Hi, this is Tony Nasca with DovNet Software. Today we're going to demonstrate the importing the data to QuickBooks Online. You'll see here we have two exports. We have an accounts payable and accounts receivable. And so what we're going to do is use the SaasAnt Excel import transaction to bring in the customers and then the invoices into QuickBooks. So what I've done is I have a service ticket here that's ready for billing. And so I'm going to go to the billing menu here and select that project for billing and create the invoice. So we have a billing address and we have our shipping address. Now, we go ahead and select the lines, F3, 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 and what we did. Okay. And so it creates our invoice amount right over here. And we can go ahead and just say create the invoice, and it puts the project into completed status, and we're done with our invoice. And you'll notice we have our dollars to accounting here, which is going to send the money out of project. So now what we do is we hit dollars to accounting, and this creates the output file for the import to QBO. Click over here. Now that the button has disappeared on top menu, we can look at our output directory where the files were created, and we see three files were created: the customer, the invoices, and cost of goods. So now what we do is we bring up the import tool and we come over here to new imports, and we literally drag the files into the import system. So I'll just put this off to the side and bring over the customer first, like so. And then we go ahead and say import, choose customer, like so. It matches up the fields. We say import into QuickBooks. And we're happy because they imported successfully like so. So now what we do is we go back and we pick up our transactions into QuickBooks and say submit. And we choose invoices like so. And we say import data into QuickBooks. And of course, this is going to import multiple transactions, multiple customers. I'm just demonstrating the one. And then the next thing, of course, we do is we pick up our cost of goods. So depending on how you run your inventory system, if you're passing cost of goods onto QuickBooks, then you're going to want to go ahead and do the journal entries for the cost of goods, like so. And then import data. And again, the transaction was successful. So now what we can do is we can go to QuickBooks Online, like so, and we would go over to sales and then customers, and then we would see our customer here, like so, and then we can go to transactions and we would see our invoice over here, etc. Okay, so there you go. That is the import function to QBO using the SaasAnt tool. Thank you very much. Feel free to contact DovNet for sales information on these products. Have a good day. Bye.